So in my lab, we're interested in using computational modeling to assist the drug discovery process. AI is helping in a number of different ways with this. I'll go through each one of these in turn. Firstly, we're using AlphaFold, of course, as well as other programs like BioEmu to model target structures. So for us, targets are typically membrane proteins. And BioEmu allows us to just capture a number of different states, which can be really important for drug design. We're also trying to predict lead target interactions, so how small molecule drugs might interact with membrane proteins. This is using AI improved docking methods, but also just de novo AI modeling, such as with Chai-1, so we can predict how a drug might bind to a protein. And then finally, analyzing complex simulation data. Ignore the one on the left, but on the right, so we generate loads and loads of data and we can't really analyze it, so it's really interesting getting AI algorithms to help us analyze this. So we've got a collaboration with the Thompson lab, but also open to discussions on this point for anyone else. Thank you.